Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of wheel spaces, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007. With rich manufacturing and trading experience, from measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales, BONOSS promised to deliver the most professional and highest quality product and service. The BONOSS NISSAN Patrol wheel spaces have global pattern active cooling design, and the NISSAN Patrol wheel spaces are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed in pedal shape, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow confusing inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating before the braking system. All BONOSS NISSAN Patrol wheel spaces are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two types of materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061T6, and another is aluminum alloy 7075T6. The 6061T6 for daily driving, and the 7075T6 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving. And the BONOSS NISSAN Patrol wheel spaces match ISO grade 10 lug nuts. The matching lug nuts use vertical material by continuously forging process and match ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs. The matching wheel stud use SCM 440 steel material. BONOSS have over 66 SGS and theory test reports. Also, BONOSS provide OEM ODM service and customization service. We can customize the BONOSS NISSAN Patrol wheel spaces complete in 1 to 3 days at the fastest. And you can choose the wheel spacer size from 3 mm to 160 mm and PCDCB conversion. BONOSS has a complete NISSAN Patrol wheel spacers production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficiency product and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustments. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. We can complete the adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch, and only 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our product and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, the installation case has exceeded 10,000 times. We have strong supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and products, meet the needs of large volume orders, and have a good sales network in various international markets. Our BONOSS NISSAN Patrol wheel spaces come with a 10-year warranty, which gives peace of mind. BONOSS wants to provide more additional functions for the wheel spaces and make the wheel spaces safer, higher performance, and better installation experience. With that same passion for cars, we think that using high-performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious value. BONOSS to Patrol wheel.